Hello and welcome back to the channel. And quite a while ago I did a video on 5 things I enjoy and 5 things I dislike about amateur radio. But as most of the time when I'm on amateur radio or being portable, I thought I'd do a video 5 things I enjoy about portable radio. No particular order. First one is the exercise. Getting out in the fresh air. All good for your mental health, and I enjoy a bit of exercise. I know I do. Usually at work it's not very, you don't get much exercise, but walking up hills is fantastic. So on the set of something more Ram, I've not done a set for ages, so it took me a bit of a walk to get up here. I was worn out at the end, but I feel quite a bit good for it. Second one is the views, and you can't really see much of the views. So my radio goes off. I can't see much of the views today. It is a bit misty, but I've had some great views off summits, and it's always rewarding. Number 3 is setting up your station. Now, not all summits are as large as this one, some are quite small, so there's that technical challenge. How can you set up your station? If there's not much room for a dipole, you can have to go vertical, like I've done here. And 0CVO Magic 10, it's a good antenna. So that's always the thing you have to think about. With most summits, the first thing that people go to is the trig point, which is over there. TP005 I think it is. I'll have to look it up. But there we go, so you've got exercise, views, setting up. Fourth one, QRM or lack thereof. Most people at home, I know I suffer from it at home, a lot of QRM, so that's why I go portable. The only time I've had QRM is on Grinshill Hill and on Wynn Hill, because there are pager masts nearby. And I mean, who the hell will go up a hill and put an antenna on the top? I mean, who do a thing like that? And the fifth and final one is the signals you receive, the signals you can send out. I've done quite a bit of 2-meter SSB fairly recently, and just on 30 or 40 watts I found out how far SSB can go under normal conditions. Now imagine what it'd be like under a bit of tropospheric ducting. And it's always interesting to see what height of hill is the better for VHF. I have got one slated to summit on this summit already, so I'm just waiting around for another one. He's doing another summit. But no, that's it for me and this video. 5 things I enjoy about going portable. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What 5 things you enjoy about going portable. And I do apologise for the wind in this video. That's it for now. Take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one.